Hello guys and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how we can create a modular rig for our custom MetaHuman. This custom MetaHuman was created with Mesh Morpher. We have custom body and custom head. We know that if we customize the body outside of the default MetaHuman bounds, the default MetaHuman control rig will mostly break the hands, right, when the proportions are changed. So for that, we need to use either a modular rig or create a control rig from scratch, which is kind of a difficult process to do. But with modular rig, everything is simplified, right? So let's get started. I'm gonna create a new modular rig. And to do that, I'm gonna go to control rig. Gonna select control rig here and select modular rig, right? I'm gonna rename this so I don't confuse with the other experiments. New modular rig. Okay. I'm gonna open this new modular rig and I'm gonna go to, here in the right to the rig hierarchy, right click on the root and import mesh, and I'm gonna select my body, my MetaHuman body mesh, right? Now we have to place our modules, and this is kind of easy. If you hold the mouse on it, you will see spine 01 socket. It will tell you what to drop here. So this one, drag and drop the spine module here. We will add spine. The next one is shoulder. Let's go with shoulders here. This is neck. Sometimes you will get this kind of errors. Just remove and just replace it, right? It's kind of buggy, but well, it works. Now we have to add our leg modules. Let's put the leg modules here, and let's put it on the other side as well. Let's add the foot. Like this. And now let's add our arms. And then we will add our fingers, right? We have to add the finger modules to the last bone in the chain, right? Which is 03 bulge R or L socket, right? So let's select our finger module, place it correctly there. We will see that the controls already appeared there. Let me decrease a little bit the sensitivity. And let's go to the next finger, right? Always 03 bulge R. Or L if you're doing it for the other hand. Right? Let's place it here as well. And now let's do it for the other hand. Okay. This is the bone. And the last one here. Okay. This is it. We added everything. And let's save this. Compile and save. And now we have to go to our mesh and assign this rig. If we go to default animating rig, we can select our rig, which is called new modular rig. Let's save. And now in sequencer, we add our actor here, and we will see that we have our controls from our custom modular rig, right? And we can test it out. Just test it a little bit. Maybe not like that. The IK is working, you can see it. Right? You can do all kinds of crazy stuff here. It's up to you. And yeah, this is it. This is how you would create your modular rig for your custom MetaHuman. I hope this video helps you. I learned about this just recently, so I wanted to share this information with you guys. And yeah, this is it, guys. See you around, and